Hello there! JC Automation is a Puerto Rican minority business enterprise, HUBZone Certified, members of Diversity Alliance for Science and EcoVadis Corporate Social Responsibility Certified company, focused on industrial automation and data. Our aim is to enable you to connect, control, collect, store, understand, and optimize your operations, improve productivity, efficiency, and enhance product quality. We have partnered with the major automation companies, including Rockwell Automation, OSI Soft, Wonderware, and Emerson. Our engineers are experts in instrumentation and control installations, HMI, SCADA, historian programming, support, and validation. We can also help you construct your data hub to enable Edge, SCADA, MES, and ERP data-driven centralization. In today's digital age, having a digital strategy is crucial to harness the power of artificial intelligence for your business. Our engineers can assist you in implementing your data infrastructure, and we endorse unified namespace approach as the best strategy to contextualize your business data for AI. With over 25 years of experience, we have increased our Puerto Rico workforce and partnered with other Puerto Rican companies to provide services to the life sciences and manufacturing industries in Puerto Rico, US, Central and South America, and Europe. JCA's mission is to add value to our customers by delivering quality services and solutions on time, all the time. Let's make it happen. Give us a call today and let us help you take your business to the next level. Thank you.